Say goodbye to breastfeeding pains. Finally, relief for new moms. Does every feeding bring tears instead of joy? Are you silently suffering through soreness, cracks, and constant pain, wondering if things ever get better? You're not alone. So many new moms face breastfeeding pain that no one warned them about. And while the world tells you to push through, you deserve real answers, real comfort, and a way to reclaim the precious feeding moments with your baby. Meet your new lifeline, the Breastfeeding Pain Relief PDF Guide. Packed with tips from lactation experts and fellow moms alike, it walks you step by step to calm, comfort, and finally, pain-free feeding. This guide shows you smart, proven techniques to relieve pain immediately, how to fix latching and prevent future soreness, simple remedies you can do today with things you have at home, the psychological secrets to worry-free feeding and more bonding. Imagine no more sleepless nights dreading the next feed, just peace, relief, and joy for you and your baby. Don't let another day go by in pain. Your comfort and your baby's happiness matter now. In just minutes, you'll have all the answers at your fingertips. Download. Read. Heal. Begin your journey from pain to peace today. Tap Download Guide now, below, and join thousands of mothers who finally said goodbye to breastfeeding pain. Fast results and lasting smiles, starting now. Say goodbye to breastfeeding pain now. Use the link below to download your relief guide now.